Good evening, everyone. Welcome to today's story time. The title of today's story is Nilambra or Purnima Ki Raat. The author of this story is Aparna Atreya and illustrator is Nirjara Velurkar. Translator is Nirmala Shukla. बहुत समय पहले की बात है। जंगल के किनारे बसे पक्षीपुर गांव में एक लड़का बाकू रहता था। उसे चीजों को गिनने में बड़ा मजा आता था। Long time ago, by the jungle, by the forest, there was a boy named Baku living in a village called Pakshipur. It could be literally translated into bird village. He used to like to count things. स्कूल से घर लौटने के बाद वह सब्जियां तोलने और पैसे गिनने में अपनी माँ की मदद करता था. So after coming back home from school, he used to help his mom to weigh the vegetables and to count the money. She was a vegetable seller. एक शाम बाकू ने रंग बिरंगे पक्षियों का एक जोड़ा देखा. वे चहचहाए और उड़ गए. बाकू उनका पीछा करने लगा. So one evening he saw a pair of beautifully colored birds. So the moment he was focusing at them, they flew away. That's what birds do when they find somebody looking at them, they fly away. Baku started following them. Where are they going? Oh, look at that. Is that a blue monkey? And pink elephant? And red deer? What place is that? Let's see, where did Baku come to? वे एक गुफा से उड़ते उड़ते जंगल आ पहुंचे. So they were flying through a cave and they came to a different forest. यहाँ सब कुछ अलग था, बिल्कुल पंछियों की तरह. So everything in this new forest was different, just like the bluebirds. क्या वे नीले बंदर हैं जो सीटी बजा रहे हैं? Are those blue monkeys whistling? और गुलाबी हाथी and pink elephant? लग रहा था कि वे गुनगुना रहे हैं. It seemed as if the elephants were singing or miming. इन विचित्र दृश्यों को देखकर मुग्ध बाकू ने देखा ही नहीं कि सूरज डूब रहा है. जल्दी ही अंधेरा हो गया और वह खो गया. So looking at all the view, all the scenery around himself, Baku was so mesmerized. He did not realize that the sun is going down in the sky. Sun is going to set soon. Soon it was dark and he got lost in the forest. उसे कुछ दूरी पर धधकती हुई आग दिखी. He saw fire crackling at a distance. एक औरत चहलकदमी कर रही थी. उसका नाम मीदू था. बाकू उसके पास गया और बहुत धीरे से पूछा, क्या हो रहा है? So he was afraid. He was happy to see somebody, but he was afraid at the same time. He did not know what was happening. So there was a woman walking by the fire. He went there and asked her. Her name was Midu. Baku asked her, what's going on? What is happening here? Oh, look at this flower. That is the flower shared in the name of the story, I think. Pitambari, right? Pitambari matlab पीता येलो अंबर स्काई और ड्रेस है ना. भगवान पीले वस्त्र पहनते उन्हें पीतांबर कहते हैं, पीतांबरी. मैं सो नहीं पा रही. आई एम नॉट एबल टू स्लीप. आई एम वेरी वरिड. 6 महीने पहले मेरी 10 वर्षीय बेटी कोया को एक विचित्र रोग हो गया. उसके बाद से वह बैठ नहीं पाती, उसने कहा. So Midu is telling her story when Baku asked her. She said, I have a 10-year-old daughter named Koya and she's suffering from a strange disease and I'm very worried for her. क्या इस रोग का कोई इलाज नहीं है? बाकू ने पूछा. So naturally, Baku asked, is there no treatment for the disease? इसका सिर्फ एक ही इलाज है, नीलांबरा फूल का मधुरस। Oh, I'm sorry, it's नीलांबरा, not पीतांबरा. It's yellow. It's blue. It's also yellow, but the name is blue. नीला अंबर, नीलंबरा फूल का मधुरस. So she said the treatment for the disease is, there is this flower called Nilambar. So I have to get the pollen, the juice from the flower. इसमें हर 7 दिन में एक बार फूल लगता है, लेकिन पूर्णिमा की रात इकट्ठा किया हुआ मधुरस ही मेरी बेटी का रोग दूर कर सकता है. So there is very tricky detail now. You have to follow very carefully. It flowers every 7th day. It doesn't flower every day. It flowers every 7th day. But every day when it flowers, every week when it flowers, it is no good. Only on the full moon night, if you collect the juice from the flower, only then that can treat the disease her daughter has. पिछले 6 महीने से यह फूल एक बार भी पूर्णिमा की रात को नहीं खिला. कोया तो दिनों दिन और कमजोर होती जा रही है. So she said the last time the flower was blooming on a full moon night, it was 6 months ago. I have been waiting for it. I don't know when it will be next time. My daughter is getting weak day by day. What shall I do? Now this guy, Baku likes maths. He likes calculating and counting. So he started thinking. बाकू का दिमाग दौड़ने लगा. आप रोइए मत, फूल पूर्णिमा की रात को खिलेगा. वह धीमे से बोला, 5 दिन में. अब उसने पूरे आत्मविश्वास से कहा. So he thought for a while and then with full confidence he said, in 5 days it's going to be full moon and that's when your flower is going to be blooming. तुम इतने विश्वास से यह बात कैसे कह सकते हो? कोया की माँ ने पूछा. Do you know kids what they're talking about? How did he calculate it? Do you know? So Koya's mother asked, how do you know it with such confidence? दरअसल बाकू ने पूरा हिसाब लगा लिया था. पूरा चांद हर 30 दिन में दिखाई देता है और फूल हर 7 दिन में खिलता है. इसका मतलब है कि हर 210 दिन में, यानी कि लगभग 7 महीने में पूरे चांद की रात को खिलता है. So Baku did the whole calculation. Full moon is visible every 30th day or so approximately. And the flower blooms every 7th day. That means every 210th day. That is approximately in 7 months it will coincide the day of the flower blooming weekly and the full moon night. They will coincide again after every 7 months. 6 महीने और 3 हफ्ते बीत चुके हैं. जैसा कि like the Midu said, 6 months and 3 weeks have passed already. So नीलांबरा अगली पूर्णिमा की रात को खिलेगा और अब बस 5 दिन बाद आ रही है. मीदू ने बाकू को धन्यवाद दिया और उसे उसके गांव तक छोड़ गई. So Nilambra is going to bloom coming full moon and that is only after 5 days. So Midu was so grateful. She said thank you to Baku and left her to her village. She helped her go back to home. She helped him. 3 हफ्ते बाद जामुन इकट्ठे करते हुए बाकू ने फिर से मिदू को देखा. So few weeks later, 3 weeks later, Baku was playing in his house. By his house, he was collecting fruits, jamun, because his mom sells them, right? So he was collecting jamun, and he saw Midu, the mother. वह दौड़ते हुए आई और उसने बाकू को गोदी में उठा लिया. So Midu came running and she hugged him. She hugged Baku. She was very happy. Why was she happy? She was bringing her daughter. She brought her daughter with her too. बाकू देखो यह मेरी कोया है, वह बोली. फूल तुम्हारी बताई रात को ही खिला. मधुरस ने अपना चमत्कार दिखा दिया. So she said, this is my daughter Koya and The flower bloomed on the night, as you said, and the juice did wonders to my daughter. She is all right now. कोया का रोग ठीक हो गया. बाकू बहुत खुश था. मीदू की दुनिया में सब कुछ ठीक हो गया. So because Koya is starting to feel better, Midu is very happy, and because they are happy, that makes Baku very happy too, because he was able to help. Now let's see how did they calculate. Do you know LCM, lowest common multiple? You must have done it in your schools already in grade 4 and 5. So when you take 30, you get two numbers, 5 and 6, and the 6 can be further simplified to 2 and 3. And the flower blooms every 7th night. So when we multiply 2 to 3 to 5 to 7, we get 210. This is the simple calculation Baku did. बाकू ने यह हिसाब कैसे लगाया? How did Baku do the calculation? बाकू जानता था कि नीलांबरा फूल हर 7 दिन में एक बार खिलता है और पूरा चांद हर 30 दिन में दिखाई देता है. आखिर उसे कैसे पता चला कि पूरे चांद और फूल का संयोग किस दिन बनेगा? गणित से. सच पूछो तो न्यूनतम समापवर्तक एलसीएम से. न्यूनतम समापवर्तक या एलसीएम क्या है? दो संख्याओं इस गुणज की सबसे छोटी संख्या. Okay, so how did Baku know? He knew that Lambra blooms every 7th day and full moon is every 30th day. So he used LCM to do the calculation, as I just showed the calculation on the last slide in the story. Now in the last starred information here, it says after 30 days they have put a star and then they have explained it here. Chandra Chakra, the cycle of moon, the phases of moon. It goes from one full moon night to other full moon night. एक पूर्णिमा से दूसरी पूर्णिमा तक 29 से 31 दिन, 29 से 31 days के बीच कुछ भी हो सकता है. It can change a little bit, but usually it's between 28 to 31 days, right? औसत रूप से पूर्णिमा चक्र 29 point, how much is this? 53 दिन का होता है, जिसे 30 दिन मान लिया जाता है. तो पूर्णिमा का चक्र 29 से 30 डेज के बीच का होता है अप्रोक्सीमेटली, जिसे कि 30 दिन मान लेते हैं. We assume it to be approximately 30 days. Okay. Now this is all about LCM, so I can leave it. Okay, now they have given us a question. Shall we try solving it, everybody? कल्पना करो कि आपने अपने पड़ोस की दुकान से मसालेदार वड़ा पाव खरीदने की सोची. दुकान पर पहुंचकर आपको पता चला कि बड़े एक पैकेट में 3 आते हैं पाव और एक पैकेट वड़ा पाव है ना, तो बड़े एक पैकेट में 3 आते हैं और पाव एक पैकेट में 4 आते हैं. Okay, so you thought let's make vada pav at home. So you went to the shopkeeper and the shop said in one packet of vada we get 3 vadas and in one packet of pav we get 4 pavs. आपको दोनों के कम से कम कितने पैकेट खरीदने पड़ेंगे ताकि आप वड़े और पाव की जोड़ियां बना सकें और कुछ भी फालतू ना बचे. So to pair everything up, how many packets of each will you have to buy? Can you do that using LCM? And in the end, they say, "आपकी party शानदार हो." May you have a wonderful party. So if somebody has their answer, they can unmute and tell their answer now before I stop recording. Okay?
So for vade it should be 4 and for pav it should be 3.
Excellent. So total will be 12 vada pavs. Everybody can have multiple, I hope. Thank you. That's a good one. Thanks for listening. Bye-bye.